Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir soda. First, you'll need to prepare your initial ferment. Begin by dissolving 1/4 cup of sugar in about 1 cup of warm, not boiling, water in a half-gallon glass jar. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, add 3 cups of cool, filtered water and 2 tablespoons of active water kefir grains. Cover your jar loosely with a cloth and let it sit at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. The grains will consume the sugar, creating your basic kefir. Now, let's make it fizzy with a second fermentation. After your first ferment, carefully strain the water kefir grains from the liquid. You can immediately use these grains to start a new batch. Pour the strained kefir liquid into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. To each 16-ounce bottle, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit juice or some fresh fruit pieces. Seal the bottles tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 1 to 3 days to build carbonation. The beauty of kefir soda is the endless flavor possibilities. For a classic taste, try adding 1/4 cup of grape, apple, or cherry juice to your bottles. If you prefer fresh ingredients, sliced strawberries, mango chunks, or a few pieces of ginger work wonderfully. You can even get adventurous with herbs like a sprig of mint or a pinch of cinnamon for a unique twist. Remember, the more sugar in your additions, the more fizz you'll get, so feel free to experiment. Once your kefir soda has reached your desired fizziness, usually after 1 to 3 days, move the bottles to the refrigerator. This will slow down the fermentation process and chill your delicious drink. Be sure to open your bottles carefully, as pressure can build up, creating a satisfying pop. Your homemade kefir soda is now ready to enjoy. Don't forget to reuse your precious water kefir grains for your next batch, keeping the cycle of deliciousness going.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.